Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jamaican-style lentil soup. This comforting dish is a staple in many homes, offering a blend of rich flavors and wholesome ingredients. We'll explore the unique Caribbean twist that transforms simple lentils into an extraordinary meal. Get ready to learn the secrets to a truly authentic and satisfying lentil soup, perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the steps and create something wonderful together. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this flavorful soup. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, thoroughly rinsed. For aromatics, prepare 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that authentic kick. Don't forget your root vegetables, 1 carrot, 1 potato, and 1 chocho. Finally, key spices like fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder will define its unique taste. Now, let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your chopped onion and minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil until fragrant. Next, add your rinsed lentils, along with 8 cups of water or vegetable broth and all your prepared root vegetables. Stir in a fresh sprig of thyme, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the lentils are wonderfully tender. As your soup nears completion, there are a few final touches to perfect its flavor. In the last 10 minutes of simmering, stir in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk to enrich the broth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Remember to carefully remove the whole Scotch bonnet pepper before serving if you prefer a milder heat. Serve your piping hot, delicious Jamaican lentil soup with a side of warm hard dough bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.